Today, we'll learn how to turn on page likes in WordPress. This simple process helps you increase audience engagement and track which pages your visitors appreciate most. Start by opening your internet browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Click the Login button in the upper right corner. Select Continue with Google and choose the account you normally use to manage your site. This quick authentication method keeps your account secure and accessible. Once logged in, locate the Tools section in your dashboard. This central hub lets you manage various features that enhance your website. Tools can usually be found along the top menu or the sidebar navigation panel. Within the Tools section, click on Sharing Buttons. Here you can control the social features displayed on your site, helping visitors share your content and engage with it more easily. On the Sharing Buttons page, locate the option labeled Page Likes and turn it on. This feature allows visitors to register their appreciation by simply clicking a like button. It helps you gauge audience interest and increase engagement. Finally, click the Save Changes button to confirm your settings. Without this step, any adjustments may not be applied, so be sure to save your work. And that's it. You've successfully enabled page likes in WordPress. Now, visitors can like your pages, providing valuable feedback and helping you build a more interactive and engaging website.